Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Spendee. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee application on your device and you will be taken into the login page. Tap on login with email and now you will find the forgot password option. Go ahead and tap on this and you will now be asked to enter your email address. Just type in your email address that you used while signing up for your account. And then tap on reset password. You will then be asked to check your inbox. Just tap on open email and you can choose your email application in order to check your inbox. Now from your inbox page, you will find an email that you received from Spendee. So open up the email and you will find the password reset link. After tapping on the password reset link, you will be allowed to enter a new password for your account. Just type in your desired new password and then tap on the reset button and now your password will successfully be reset. You can now use your new password along with your original email address in order to log back into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Spendee application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.